Welcome to this short meditation. Find a comfortable, preferably quiet place to sit. You can sit on a cushion, cross-legged, or on a mat, or a chair. Sit up straight in a comfortable position, but one that allows you to remain alert. Place your hands on your lap, one resting on top of the other, palms facing up. Gently squint your eyes, allowing them to relax. You can close them if you feel like it. Take a couple of deep breaths. Notice the sensations in your body, the pressure on the spots where your body rests, the temperature, your heartbeat. If you notice tension in any area, inhale slowly. Hold your breath. While you exhale, imagine any stress leaving your body like a cloud of smoke. Focus your attention on your breathing. Breathe naturally. Don't try to control it. Just observe it. Feel the air coming in and out through your nose. As you breathe, you will notice thoughts coming into your mind. Just watch them come and go away. They are neither good nor bad, so don't judge them. But don't hold on to them either. Every time you notice them distracting you, refocus your attention on your breathing. Thoughts are like little waves in the sea. They come and go. Notice how you don't produce them voluntarily. They just arise. What you can do is choose to engage with them, identify with them, or simply observe them and let them go. For this exercise, we're just going to let them pass. Every time you notice that you are carried away by a thought, a sensation, or an emotion, don't repress it. Simply acknowledge it and gently refocus on the present, on your breathing. Follow these directions for a few moments, in silence. If you get distracted, bring your focus back to your breathing. Remember to get your attention back to your breathing. If you got carried away by a thought, focus your attention on your breathing again. Very slowly inhale and open your eyes. Exhale. How do you feel? Take a moment to notice what effect did this exercise have on your body, on your emotions, on your mind. Repeat this exercise as frequently as you can, perhaps lengthening the duration each time. Benefits become more evident with regular practice. If you'd like to continue practicing, you'll find some helpful resources in the description below.